Now we move off to the other end of our stage, and let's talk to the TNT players. First off, PGR. PGR, in the eliminations, you came in, played 3 games, you averaged 13 minutes a game, but in the semifinals, your average went up to 23 minutes a game. Quite a big change in your role with this team, but with Roger out, Kel Williams out, Coach Shot has relied on you a lot for many things that you do on the floor. Can you tell us what some of those things, some of those things that you're doing now that will help your team win that Grand Slam?
Like you said, whatever Coach asks of me, I'm going to do. You know, my versatility is something that I try and lean on a lot, especially on the defensive side of the ball. But I've been out for so long. You know, I'm still kind of getting my my footing back together, my timing back. So I know that this time of year, especially this part of the conference, it's very important. So I just go out there, try and play my hardest, try to play my best, and as long as I'm out there contributing, I know that I can do good things for the team.
Thank you. Roger, I'm sure everyone is asking, kumusta ka na, Roger? Hindi ka nga nakalaro ng 4 na laro sa semifinals, pero I think the team went out there to win, not only for TNT but also for you. Kasi wala ko nga. Pero big question is, makakalaro ka ba sa Game 1 on Sunday? Roger, kumusta ang recovery mo sa inyong hamstring injury?
Maganda yung recovery. Tapos bukas makakalaman kung makakalaro ba talaga ako sa Sunday. Yun lang.
Thank you, Roger. Susunod natin. Bilis. Calvin Octana. Calvin, ikaw na lang magpupuno. Calvin, meron akong itatanong sa'yo. Sa Philippine Cup eliminations, tinalo ng TNT in San Miguel, 89-84. Naka 2020 ka. Very, very rare na isang player makakuha ng 2020 sa PBA. Maski na sa NBA. Pero in that game, 23 points, 21 rebounds ang ginawa mo. Calvin, anong maitutulong mo sa TNT para makuha ng TNT ang Grand Slam?
Yun nga sabi ko sa mga media kanina, yung elimination is a different game. Pagdating sa semis, quarters, or finals, lalo sa finals, mag-iiba yung laro. And well scouted na both teams, lalo na doon na nakafocus yung mga coaches. So siguro para makuha yung si Coach Leo, siguro yung bubantayan ko. Joke lang. Siguro it's up to the players. Siyempre yung mga coach naman, paghahandaan talaga, ilalatag talaga lahat yung mga game plans, lalo na this finals. And siyempre it's up to the players yung willingness na magtrabaho para sa team nila. And siguro pataasan na ng willpower siguro. Lalo na sa team namin, daming iniinda. Pero yun nga, lumalaban pa rin kami sa lahat ng mga nangyari sa team namin. So, we're gonna take one game at a time. Siyempre, yun naman yung pinaka-importante this Sunday.